guys, welcome back to Sanele F Chain, guys. Thank you so much for tuning in to the chain, guys. We're still talking about KHAYA MTHETHWA and Ntando Kunene, although the reason behind their separation was not explained, but tweets have concluded, guys. There was a message that was tweeted by KHAYA MTHETHWA on the 3rd of February 2017. It reads, okay, can I ask you ladies, will you date a guy who was gay and now is straight? If yes, why? If not, why not? So from that statement, Tweeps concluded he is the one who is gay, guys. Yeah, but it's not me. I took it from Twitter. By the look of things, they were never happy, guys. Or let me just say, KHAYA got married because he was born from the Christian family and his father is a pastor. Please listen to this confession below and share your thoughts. I love you so much, guys. Happy Christmas.
You did not have quite a great year. For 5 minutes. Sibona ngempela kwenzakaleni ku-2019 ngafika sithuke the scars that you're hiding, the pain that you're hiding, the repetitive cycles you keep going through, and you sit here under an incredible ministry of the grace of God, unaware that he can still heal you in December. Okay, let me see that. Let me tell you again. You've gotten so used to the pain, and you have now infused yourself with an anesthetic that will numb you from even the word of God. I want to address you today as a young blood, as a young brother, and tell you that I didn't have quite a great year as I stand here today. I don't have some amazing story to tell you that this and that happened. Maybe I do, but it doesn't matter at this point in time. Why am I saying this? Because I had huge struggles in my marriage. The last 2 years, because you all want to talk about the Instagram grabs. You want to talk about the amazing, how we look amazing on red carpets. You want to talk about how it looks good on the gram. I am not here to play. It's easier to leave, but harder to cleave. That's my lesson of 2019. When I said to God, I don't think I want to be married anymore. I told God that in January. I'm like, I think I'm done. This was amazing, amazing experience. Discipline. Then I told my parents, I'm like, listen, my guy, this whole pastoring thing was premature. You better agree. I lead a church of 5,500 members. I told them, I was like, listen, this whole thing you're doing with this whole church thing is going to be a big problem. I'm a young man. I'm still got hot blood. I got problems. I've been to sort things out in my life. Better be careful. I shoot straight with that old man. It's like the grace of God is sufficient. 2019, I was like, no, I'm done with the marriage. I'm good with the whole thing. It was really amazing. February 8th, my son arrives. February 8th, my son is born. My son is now 10 months. He is the sunshine of my life. He's my everything. I have no idea what happens in a man's heart, but something happened to me. And I am now at the end of 2019, and I believe that Unkulunkulu is still healing us. Why did I talk about cleaving? Why is this important? I wanted to encourage young couples that are struggling in marriage. Don't give up. Listen, I'm hoping that I'm being honest enough that you hopefully get something from me. Because it's easy for us to hear that they've been married 25 years. And then because we see their face, it's seldom that they take off the shirt and show us the scars. So I had serious issues to deal with when I went into marriage. That's a different day that we'll have to talk about with guys only. Before you get married as a guy. And I want to encourage someone today to say that if you have a broken relationship, or if you have a space in your life that it doesn't look perfect, it doesn't need to look perfect. It takes time for something to cleave. Actually, the more heavier a thing, the more stronger the glue needs to be.